YieldCoin is an automated cross-chain stablecoin yield optimizer. YieldCoin has been built with Chainlink automation, functions, and CCIP, and offers users the simplest possible experience to maximize their stablecoin yield in just one click. Here's the problem statement. Monitoring opportunities, then manually withdrawing, bridging, and depositing is time-consuming. YieldCoin solves that by abstracting it all away, enabling users to consistently and securely earn the highest yield on their stablecoins across the Web3 ecosystem, without any manual input. So how does it work? There are two simple steps to this process. First, Chainlink time-based automation sends a request through Chainlink functions to fetch the chain and protocol with the highest APY. Next, Chainlink log trigger automation uses CCIP to move funds to where it can earn the most yield, based on the fulfilled Chainlink function's request. In exchange for depositing stablecoins, users receive YieldCoin, a token that represents their share of the total value in the system, and follows the ERC 677 and CCT standards. None of this would be possible without Chainlink's reliable services. Automation eliminates the need for human intervention, functions enables the secure retrieval of optimal yield data, and CCIP facilitates robust cross-chain communication and value transfer. There are a number of planned future developments, such as support for additional stablecoins, expansion to more chains, integration of more yield strategies, implementation of fees and automation of Chainlink service payments, SVM compatibility, CCIP call data compression, and DEX integration. Thank you for your consideration and the opportunity to build with Chainlink.
Okay, so here is the front end. These live protocol metrics are demo values. We've got a basic introduction, how it works. This page is still missing stuff like header and footer, but to be honest, there's still things with the actual contracts to improve. So that stuff is taking precedence. We can go into the app and connect our wallet. I will be using MetaMask because old habits die hard. Then we are going to need to approve the contract to spend our USDC. We can see the transaction on the Block Explorer. And then we deposit. We can see the transaction on the CCIP Explorer too. Okay, whilst that's happening, let's see what else we've got. We can withdraw our stablecoin, and we can bridge YieldCoin with CCIP. The current testnets being used are Ethereum, Base, and Avalanche. So, yep, we need to approve the CCIP router to transfer the YieldCoin, and then we can bridge. The UI shows the transaction is now pending and provides links to the Source Chain Explorer and the CCIP Explorer. So the YieldCoin is being transferred from Ethereum to Avalanche, and it was a success. On the Avalanche Explorer, we can see we have received YieldCoin. We also have high unit coverage, invariant tests, formal verification with Certora, and forked the Chainlink local CCIP simulator to work with CCTP and USDC. The issues with the contracts were fixed, and the front end now has a header and footer. Check it out at contractlevel.com.